Hello students, today we will start with chapter number 1, building with bricks. Brick patterns for Jagriti School. This is a true story of Jagriti School in Murshidabad, West Bengal. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make a brick patterns on the floors and walls. Jamal, Kalu and PR were the masons for the brickwork. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building. So they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. See photos. This is Murshid Quli Khan. This is tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. This building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. These were made by masons long back, about 300 years ago. Look how the bricks are arranged in these 5 floor patterns. Which floor pattern do you like the most? In this fill in the blanks, you are supposed to write your favorite one out of these 5 brick patterns. The mason came back excited. Jamal said, in those days they had made so many interesting patterns. We had forgotten this. Let us make some nice designs on the floor of this school. Each mason made a different brick pattern. The school is proud to have such a beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make new patterns themselves. Here some brick patterns are given. Look at it carefully. Which pattern is made in a circle? J. J pattern is made in a circle. In which pattern can you show mirror house? Draw a line. So here the line is dividing the pattern into mirror half. Now you draw some new floor patterns. Now you have to draw some more new floor patterns. That you can do it by yourself. आप अपने आप से भी खुद से कर सकते हैं. How to draw brick? Brick को कैसे draw कर सकते हैं? These are photos of the same brick. These are 2 photos. These are 2 photos of the same brick. In one photo we can see only one face of the brick. In the other we can see 3 faces. See, as you can see in the photo number 1, you can see 3 faces. Circle the photo showing 3 faces. So in the picture number 1 we can see 3 faces. How many faces in all does a brick have? As you can see, a brick has 6 faces: up, down, right, left, front and back. So a brick has 6 faces. Is any face a square? No, a brick has no square face. Draw the smallest face of the brick. So as you can see, the side ones is the smallest face of the brick. Here's how you can draw it. Which of these are the faces of a brick? So you have to put tick mark, or you can draw an arrow. So these two are the faces of the brick. As you can see, these arrows, moving arrows. Which of these is a drawing of a brick? So this is the drawing of a brick. Make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. So I have drawn a compass box like this. You can draw by your own, कुछ भी draw कर सकते हैं आप अपने हिसाब से, right? कंपास बॉक्स के 3 फेसेस दिखने चाहिए. 3D कंपास बॉक्स आपको ड्रॉ करना है. कैन यू मेक अ ड्राइंग ऑफ अ ब्रिक विच शोज 4 ऑफ इट्स फेसेस? नो, सच ड्राइंग कैन नॉट बी मेड. Wall that will not fall. One day, Munya and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. As you can see, Munya is making a wall by putting a brick on the one on the another, but Zainab is doing it in other way. Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Masons too do not put bricks one on top of the other, as Munya has done. What do you think? Which wall will be stronger? Zainab's wall will be the stronger. Look for walls where you can see different brick patterns. You can also look around for brick patterns. Here are photos of 3 kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Here are the photographs. Now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. So above is a real photograph and below is the photo drawing. You have to match photo with the drawing. So here you can see the answer. The mason who built Jagriti school had also made different jali patterns on the walls. See these both the photographs. You will see some jali patterns. How many different jali patterns can you see in these 2 photos? So I'll show you. See, this is one jali pattern you can see on the terrace as well as first floor. So these 3 patterns are also same. So this is the second pattern we find out. This is the third one, fourth one and fifth one. We found 5 jali patterns. So there are 5 jali patterns we can see in these 2 photographs. This is a drawing of another beautiful jali. Now color some bricks red and make your own jali patterns in the wall drawn below. So ये जो white कलर की वॉल दी हुई है उस पर आपको रेड कलर से कुछ ब्रिक्स को कलर कर देना है और आपको भी जाली पैटर्न बनाना है खुद से. That you can do it by your own. Can you see the window Jaroka in this photo of the school? So here you can clearly see the window. In Hindi we can call it Jaroka. Now draw some Jaroka patterns on the wall here. You can shade it black. अब आप पेंसिल से या तो ब्लैक कलर से, ये जो नीचे वॉल दिया गया है आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी है, वहाँ पर आपको ऐसा ही एक जरोका या तो अपने हिसाब से कोई अच्छा सा जरोका ड्रॉ करना है. This jali is from a library building in Kerala. See this jali pattern, it is also beautiful. It is also made up of brick. See how the edge of the brick is used to make a triangle in the wall. See, in the next picture you can see it. Here have you seen bricks that look like triangles? Look at the bricks around the tree in this photo. See here around the tree the border is made with the brick and it looks like triangle. Do you see the arc in this photo? Photo number 2. Can you see the arc in this photo? This is from a school in Faizabad. The edge with the circular edge is called arc. Look for the other arcs around you and draw them. That you have to do it by your own. You have to look for the other arcs and you have to draw by your own. Thank you.